Fuss Black Ops. You see it. Let's get up. Crypto breach with fake apps. Be careful out there. People giving you fake apps, stealing, stealing your money. So, once again, quick article. Let's check it out. Hackers use nuke fake crypto app to breach networks and steal cryptocurrency. A North Korean Lazarus hacking group is linked to a new attack spreading fake cryptocurrency app under the brand BloxHolder. It's installed the AppleJeus malware to initially access your network and steal your crypto access. According to the FBI and CISA from February 2021, it has been circulating since at least 2018, used by the Lazarus in crypto hijacking and digital asset threats. Lazarus is one of the top hacking groups on the planet. A new report by Volexity has identified new fake crypto programs, activities, and with signs of evolution in the malware infection chains and abilities. We getting better, hackers getting better. The velocity of this stuff, how quickly new apps come up and new scams and new ways of stealing money is just crazy. New BloxHolder campaign. A new campaign attributed to Lazarus started in June 2022 and was active until October 2022. In this campaign, the threat actors used BloxHolder.com, a clone of Has online automated cryptocurrency trading platform. So there's one and there's the other. So they cloning the app. So when you log on, you think you own the original and you're on their fake app, and they're just stealing all your money and really just all your resources. So which is a shame. The website distributed as a 13 megabyte Windows MSI installer that pretended to be the BloxHolder app. However, in reality, it was AppleJeus malware bundled with QT Bitcoin Trader app. In October 2022, the hacking group evolved their campaign to use Microsoft Office documents instead of the MSI installer to distribute malware. The 214 kilobyte document was named OKX Binance and VIP feed comparison XLS, which is a Excel spreadsheet. Of course, it contained malware that created three files on the target computer. Volexity can retrieve the final payload from this later infected chain, but they noticed similarities in the DLL sideloading mechanism found in the previously MSI installer attack. So they're confident it's the same campaign. So once again, they're getting better. They're using different techniques to infect your computer. So upon installation of MIS install or infection chain, we'll create a scheduled task and drop additional files in your folder app data roaming BloxHolder. Next, the malware will collect your MAC address, computer name, and OS version and send it to a command and control. Post a request is likely identified as running on your virtual machine or sandbox. That's why you need to have good malware and virus protection. So they're looking for those TTPs, those techniques, looking for those certain directories, looking for certain DLLs so they can block them. So your money won't get stolen. One novel element in recent campaign is chain DLL sideloading to load malware from within a trusted process, evading AV detection. That's your virus detection. So the program is basically trying to get around your virus protection. Why? So the virus protection don't catch it and it can steal your money. So specifically camera setting UIHost.exe. It loads a DUI. It's in your System32 directory, which then loads the malicious do user DLL file from the application directory into a camera setting, explained by Volexity, and that shows you kind of the chain below. Legitimate application searches for your system DLL. The legitimate DLL is found and loaded. It searches for the D-user DLL. Then it downloads the malicious DLL and found it, right? So the red one right there, of course, is the malicious one. Volexity said Lazarus opted into the chain DLL sideloading is unclear, but it might be to impede malware analysis. That's why they did it, right? A new characteristic in recent examples is that all the strings and API calls are now obfuscated using a custom algorithm, making the stealer stealthier against security products. Although the although the Lazarus focuses on cryptocurrency access is well documented, North Korean hackers remain fixed on their goal to steal digital money, constantly refreshing things and improving tools to stay as stealthy as possible. So once again, who is the Lazarus Group? It's a North Korean hacker group that's been active since at least 2009. The group gained notoriety by hacking Sony Films and Operation Blockbuster in 2017, and also the global WannaCry ransomware campaign that encrypted businesses worldwide. That was a big one. Google discovered in January 2021 that Lazarus was creating fake online personas to target security researchers in a social engineering attack that installed backdoors on their devices. The second attack using the tactic was discovered in March 2021. A lot of times, North Korea is so small that if they get a couple big hits on big United States companies, they can actually fund their whole country with that money. The United States government sanctioned the Lazarus Hacker Group in September 2019. Now offers a reward up to $5 million for information that can disrupt their activities. More recent attacks have turned to spreading the Trojanized cryptocurrency wallet and trading apps that steal people's private keys and drain their crypto assets. In April, the United States government linked the Lazarus Group to a cyber attack at Axie Infinity that allowed them to steal over $617 million worth of Ethereum and USDC tokens. So that's once again, they stole $617 million, right? So, and it later revealed that Axie Infinity hack was made possible due to a phishing attack containing a malicious PDF file pretending to be a job offer sent to one of the company's engineers. So, once again, spear phishing, targeted email. If you don't know who it's from, don't click on it. Once again, cryptocurrency, breaching your app with fake apps. You think you're on the original site and it's fake apps. Once again, be careful in these cybersecurity streets. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.